Hi friends, welcome to Queen's Collection. A very warm hello from Team Queens. Today I brought you a fascinating variety of ready-made dresses ranging from around about 1300 to 4000 rupees, and the fabrics what I'm going to show you today are from silk and georgette. If you like the varieties, you can directly message us on our WhatsApp number, which is given in the description below, and our team will get back to you. And the pieces what I'm going to show you right now will be available only for a couple of days, so book your piece as fast as possible. And we have got worldwide shipping facility available, and if you want, we can get the pieces altered to your size, as we have got in-house tailoring also. We can alter the pieces to your size and send it to your place. So I'll just start with the collections. The first variety what I'm showing you right now is in raw silk variety, which comes with Banarsi buttas in it. Golden color raw silk with red color Banarsi buttas, and complementing to the red color Banarsi buttas, you have got this red color patch over it, on which you have got a yellow color embroidery, and got a very nice chudi bottom along with this, and a georgette dupatta, block printed georgette dupatta. And the range is quite reasonable, and it comes only in range of 1330. And next variety what I'm showing you is in silk, Chanderi silk base, and beautiful coat dori embroidery done on the neck. You can see the beautiful done on the neck as well as on the side slits. The color is very rich. It looks totally pure party wear kind of stuff. Got a red color legging along with this, and a beautiful Banarsi dupatta. Excellent Banarsi dupatta you'll have. So piece overall is very rich, and the range is quite reasonable. 1850 range you have got this beautiful variety. And next piece what I'm showing is comes in handloom silk variety. The base is in, the color is mustard yellow color. Got beautiful variety work done on the neck as well as on the side slits. You can see the piece looks very awesome, and the beauty of the piece increases with the dupatta also, as you've got an excellent dupatta with this. You got this dupatta with total work done over the dupatta, and you've got a chudi bottom along with this, silk chudi bottom along with this. Next piece what I'm showing you comes in onion pink color. Very neat work done is on the neck. Done on the neck, you can have a look at the neck. Very neat work is done very neatly, and small mirror works done on the neck, and small mirrors scattered throughout the dress. As you can see, the red color contrast used in this, same red color bottom is given for that, and bottom you'll have got this same onion color pink buttons, and you got a very beautiful dupatta along, which comes in maroon as well as in onion pink color, so it gives complement to both top and bottom, and range is quite reasonable, 1990 range only. And next piece what I'm showing you is again a very beautiful yellowish green color combination. It comes in silk, and you can see all over front you've got a beautiful embroidery done in self. Bottom also will come in Chanderi silk fabric, straight cut bottom, and you've got a very beautiful patola dupatta given along with this, and range is quite reasonable. It's only 2180 range only. This beautiful patola dupatta. Next piece what I'm showing you, it comes in raw silk, and very beautiful work done on the neck. You've got some mirror work and handwork and fancy buttons given here, so tailoring pattern is also done very beautifully, and you got a very beautiful neckline with the navy blue color piping over it, and with that navy blue color piping you got this navy blue color straight bottom, and you got this pink color buttons on it, and it gives a very different look, as you got this full big georgette dupatta with 4-side embroidery done over it, which the combinations of the embroidery which is similar to the combinations of the embroidery done on the neck, and the range is quite reasonable, 2510 only, totally party wear stuff. And next variety what I'm showing you is in Kali. Till now I showed you in straight cut. This is in anarkali dress what I'm showing you right now. Beautiful anarkali dress with all self embroidery done on the body, and very different neckline, and the work which is done on the neckline is carried on the sleeves also. I'll show you all the 3 colors. Dupatta is quite fascinating in this. It comes with sequence work, and you got a legging with this, and the price for this one is 2250 only. The colors what I'm showing you right now, very beautiful colors. This is the yellowish green color, and dupatta is again, I'll show you dupatta. It comes in self again, and one more, this brownish coffee and brown color mix, very rare color. All the 3 colors are really rare. I can see the neck embroidery also very decently done, very decent and very rare, and the dupatta also comes in self, so it gives a very rich look to the piece, and totally value for money concept. It's only 2250 range. You can have a look at the beauty of the piece. It looks very beautiful. Till now I showed in silk varieties. Now I'm starting with georgette varieties. The beautiful georgette piece with self and sequence work done throughout, and you got the sheet mirror work done on the daman. Beautiful designing done, and got a very nice sharara bottom. Sharara, end of the sharara bottom, you got this Mukesh work done, and over the frills you have got the beautiful diamond bead lace done, and you got a very designer dupatta also. This part comes on the neck, so it looks very different, and we've got a beautiful work done on the neck, mirror and bead work, and range is quite reasonable. It's only 2280 range, georgette piece, sharara bottom, designer chunni. And the next piece what I'm showing is equally beautiful. It comes in pink color. Got two colors in this papillon type of stuff. You've got this gray color zari thread used in this, and you got beautiful work done on the flare also. Nice short flare with beautiful work done. Got two colors in this. This is the pink color what I showed you. This is the navy blue color. So both the colors are really beautiful, really elegant. The pieces look totally different and totally value for money concept. And you'll have this crushed sharara bottom along with this. And different dupatta also. Dupatta is also very beautiful. I'll show you this is the dupatta which comes with mirror work. The range for the piece is 2340. And next variety what I'm showing is equally good action. This is in light pastel shades. Beautiful cream color embroidery done throughout the dress. Nice work done on the daman also. And you got nice bell sleeves and nice embroidery pattern done where the bell starts. This is the light pista green color. Got this crushed sharara bottom along with this. So these kind of bottoms are a lot into fashion now. Got this one more color. Peach color is the other color. So both the colors are really good, really excellent. Along with this one also you got this light peach color sharara bottom, and the chunni comes in self. And range is quite reasonable, 2430. This is the chunni along with this, dupatta along with this. Beautiful concept. Next, you have seen this concept in light color. Similar concept I'm going to show in dark colors right now. This will come with a flary type actually. The earlier piece what I showed you was in straight cut. This is in flary type, short anarkali type of stuff. Got this, it comes with kalis and total sequence work done and nice self embroidery done, and very beautiful neck design. Neckline is also very beautifully done. Got one more color in this. You have seen this bluish color and one more wine color you have got along with this. So two colors are there. Both the colors are really excellent, and comes with a nice sharara bottom. This is the sharara bottom along with this. Crushed sharara, double lead crushed sharara bottom, and price is quite reasonable. It's 2930 range only. Very different variety, and you'll have got this dupatta, full dupatta along with this. And if you like the pieces, you can just directly order on our WhatsApp. Our team will get back to you. Next piece what I'm showing is equally very different variety. This is the front short and back long kind of stuff, and you will have got a very beautiful neckline done and nice work on the handwork done on the body, and got this slit in front. And along with this you have got this sharara bottom, full flare sharara bottom, which will be visible from the slit which is given in the front. So it comes inside, which will be visible from the slit given in the front. And range for this one is 2850 range only, and got an excellent dupatta along with this. Got one more color also. I'll just show you one more color. This is the dupatta. This is the green, other color what as I said you. Front short, back long. You'll have this green sharara bottom and green dupatta. So totally designer concept. Range is quite reasonable, 2850 range only. This is one more very different variety what I'm showing you right now. This also comes in georgette material, pure gown variety. It comes with can inside, so it will stand very well. It comes with bell sleeves also. You got a big flare, and you can see the peach color contrast work done in this. And along complementing that, we'll have this peach color dupatta along with this. Beautiful piece. Nice work done on the neck also. You can see the beauty of the piece. Very beautiful piece. And range for this one is also 2850 range, and got more two colors in this. I've shown you in the wine color. This is the blue color. Blue color, you'll have green color embroidery work done on the neck. So you'll have in green color dupatta in contrast along with this. I'll just show you the dupatta also. And one more, you'll have in green color in this. So 3 colors are there. All the 3 colors are really excellent. For this also you'll got the same combination. 3 colors are really excellent, and the range for this is 2850 range only. This is one more beautiful variety what I'm showing in georgettes. Nice pastel shades, all over work done in the front, and same work is continued at the back side also. So front, it's in quite heavy piece. Look wise it's quite heavy, but weight wise it's quite light. This is the front and back of the piece. You got this legging and chunni, pure gown variety, and range is quite reasonable. It's only 3730 range, and these are the 2 colors in this, the green color and the peach color. Both the colors are very different, very nice. You can just have a look at the beauty. Both the pieces are really good. Range wise also quite reasonable as per the quality of the fabric and the work given in the dress. They are quite reasonable. And next variety what I'm showing you is very different again. This is short anarkali kind of stuff. You've got this full sequence work done in the front and a beautiful designed border and the flare of the dress, and the back side also got a similar work. So front and back you'll have the same kind of work. Along with this you have got this sharara bottom, self sharara bottom, crushed material, 3-layer sharara bottom crushed material, and got this dark rani pink color chunni which gets out the contrast of the dress very nicely. As similar kind of work is done, as similar kind of contrast is used in the neck also. You can just say this pink color used in the neck to get the beauty out of the dress, and it's very beautiful work done. Zardoshi work is there, hand work neatly done, and the price range is quite reasonable, 3180 range for a party wear. Excellent rare varieties what I'm showing right now. These are all designer stuff, excellent varieties and very rare collections. You won't find these collections here and there. This is one more beautiful gown what I'm showing in georgette material. You can have a look at the beautiful work done on the body part also, and got this nice diamond work on the neck, as well as diamond work is spread throughout the front as well as the back of the dress. So excellent variety, and you got a plain bottom and a chunni along with this. So varieties are quite different what I'm showing you right now. This is one more very different variety. This comes in short anarkali again. Very beautiful piece, you can have a look at, and light pista green color dress with multicolored light color thread embroidery work done on the mirrors. So it piece looks very beautiful, very excellent. Same work is done on the back side also. You can have a look at the back side. Same work is done on the back side also. So piece is quite rich in that manner. This is the green color what I showed you, and you got a double color crushed sharara bottom with this, and this is the pink color what I'm showing right now. So both the colors are really good, really excellent. You can have a look, beauty of the dresses, they look really good. Uncommon varieties, you won't find these varieties here and there. Totally uncommon stuff, designer stuff, uncommon stuff, value for money products. Quality what we are using very high. The range is 3730 only. And next variety what I'm showing you is in similar concept, but it comes in dark colors. Beautiful concept. See, I've got 3 colors in this. I'll just show all 3 colors. Multicolor thread were used in the embroidery done here, and light comes like a gamti work. Front you can see the border, very beautiful work done on the border, and same thing runs in the back side also. So front and back the work is there all throughout. So the piece gets really rich in this, and I got 3 colors in this. I've shown you this wine color. Next color what I'm showing is this Rani pink color, beautiful Rani pink color, and this is the third color is the green color actually. So all the 3 colors are really excellent. Totally party wear stuff. You won't find this stuff here and there. If you want to look something different, just come to Queen's collection. See, all the 3 colors are very beautiful. With this you have got this sharara bottom, and you've got this beautiful dupatta along with this. Nice dupatta over the neck. You'll have got this border over the neck. So concept wise, variety wise, pieces are totally different, and range is 4020 only. 4020, totally value for money concept. This is one more very different variety I'm showing you right now. It comes in georgette material. Very beautiful work done on the body, and small sequin sequence work is done throughout the front as well as the back in this. So front and back totally sequence work done. Got one more variety in similar concept. The color changes to yellow. This one more beautiful pure Georgette variety. You'll have an excellent variety work done on the neck, self thread use, so it looks very decent, very sober. And in this you won't have small work done on the body, you'll have work done on the flare of the dress. This can be totally pure gown. This is the front and this is the back part. Totally pure gown in Georgette materials, and range is quite reasonable, 4020 range only, and work is, you have can complete work on the sleeves also. So excellent varieties. And next piece what I'm showing is totally different, out of the world product, and you get a very big short anarkali with a very big flare, kali type work, very big flare. So beautiful concept. You can see the neckline also, it's very beautifully done with handwork. So totally uncommon variety, uncommon collections. You won't find these collections here and there. Total rare collection, designer sort of stuff, everything is, and at a very reasonable price. The front and beautiful work done here, and same work continues at the back also. This is the back. So front and back you have got the same work, and along with this, for this you have got this very beautiful sharara bottom, crush, double layered sharara bottom crush material, and this is the Georgette tunic along with this. So friends, if you like this stuff, like our video, share our video with your friends who like to have similar, who like to purchase this kind of products, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much. See you soon with new collections.